Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can we convert dictionary keys to values and values to keys in Python, and the two with single line of code. So let me go to my Jupyter notebook, and here I have already defined a dictionary which is having string names as key and age as integer value for values. And when I printed, I got this particular output. Now let's say you want to convert this dictionary so that numeric values become your keys and the text becomes your string. So how can we do that? So I'm assigning it to the same dictionary, and here I have added curly brackets. Then we need to say for key comma value in, then we need to provide the dictionary name and all the items we need to iterate. So that's all, and let me go ahead and print this output for you. Oops, I missed something. Okay, so there was, by mistake I added the space over there. So you can see that now the keys are numeric values and the names became the values. So okay, now let's say you have data which is having duplicate values. So let's say here I am saying Mayor and Chris both are having the age 32. So in this case we are all good because our names are unique. But when I am doing this, you can see that this time we got we got one less record because the later one was the one which is showing over here. The first one was overwritten. So you need to be sure about your data that there are no duplicates, and then only you can get the expected output. So I hope you enjoyed this short video, and thanks for watching.